got your sweet corn. Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Kuya. Today is June 29 and
I'm not wearing this.
yeah, papasok na sila. It's Monday. Karating lang namin, di ba, kahapon, kagabi, from Adelaide. And si Jam, bumili ulit siya ng apple sa Friendly Grocer. Kaya today, mag-shopping tayo. Mag-grocery shopping ako. Kasi tingnan nyo, kawawa na yung aming lalagyan ng fruits. Empty talaga siya. At saka ang ref namin walang... Yeah, of course, Kuya. Bili raw ng apples. And yung ref namin, wala talaga siyang laman, guys. Ayan. Ito yung Yakult na nabili namin nung nasa Adelaide kami. Tapos yung vegetables, ito yung nabili ko kahapon din sa Asian store. So, yan na lang ang laman ng aming fridge. Wala talaga. Kawawa na siya. Kaya, kami ni Holly, after umalis ng mga bata, mag-ayos kami and we're gonna go, Baba?
At the shop.
And do grocery. And si John, what happened, hon?
Well, I just took the lid off. And then there's nothing in there.
There's nothing in there?
What's going on here?
All you have to do is twist, hon. Yeah, like that. That's it. Yeah. Yan. Lunch order yung mga bata kasi Monday. So, sulatin niya na yung order ng mga boys. What are you having, Zach?
Sausage roll.
Sausage roll. Yes, baby. How about you, Kuya?
He's having an egg burger.
Bacon egg burger kay Kuya. And eto ulit yung aming extension cord. Kinabit namin ulit dito sa fireplace kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. Parang yellow. Hindi nag-snow dito pero sobrang lamig sa labas. And yung bahay parang malamig kahit may heater. So kaya ginamitan namin siya ng fan para maging mainit yung ating rooms. Ngayon si Sak nagsasapatos na. Yes, baby. We're gonna get ready to, okay?
Where are we going at the shop or grocery?
Grocery.
First, Kmart.
Kmart? Miss na miss yan ang Kmart.
Because I'm hungry.
Oh, you're hungry.
If you want.
See
Say bye.
Honey.
Oh.
See ya.
Are
Are you gonna walk or Daddy will drop
Yeah.
you off?
Oh, no, TJ.
See ya. I love you too. Kuya, your thing. See ya.
Right, guys, you can get out
Okay.
early.
Yeah, okay.
You go.
Gonna get ready.
Yeah, so we'll be here for a couple of weeks, so just get some food.
Yeah. So, okay, mag-ready na kami ni Holly. Say it, Kuya. See you, Kuya. Are you gonna bring that, Kuya? Dala niya ang food, ang lamig-lamig. Okay, let's go, Baba. Yan, ready na kami ni Holly. Baba! Nagmamadali siya. Wait, I'll show the people first our mini store. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano na lang ang nandoon.
Close your eyes, guys. Open your eyes now.
Open your eyes now. So, ito na lang yung nandito sa aking mini sari-sari store. So, sabi ko sa mga bata, hindi ako bibili ng biscuits hanggat dito nauubos. Pero kukuha ko ng cookies niya, yung mini cookies na Arnott. So, yan yung mga natitira dito. Yung bigas, ayan na lang yung isang sako. Pero meron pa tayo dyan isang sako. Baba, excuse me.
Okay.
And dito, ayan na lang yung panlaban natin, yung detergent. Tapos sa mga plates. And ito yung ating, nabili ko to sa IGA sa Foodland, sa sa Adelaide. So, meron pang hindi yan sanitizer, hand soap. Tapos dito, yeah, so yan na lang yung laman. Tapos yung mga chips, paubos na siya. Pero meron pa, hindi muna ako kuha ng chips hanggat hindi yan naubos. And meron pa pala ako doon na Ritz na mini. So, yan yung laman ng ating, that's fudgy or brownies mix. Okay, let's go. So, yan yung laman. Pero si Kuya gusto niya na meron pa naman akong bacon ba? Bacon ang gusto ni Kuya, Bacon ang gusto niya. So, siguro kuha pa ako ng ganito. So, yan. Ready, Baba?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Right now.
Put your shoes now, please.
Which one? The glitter one?
Yeah, the glittery one. Or maybe the... You want that one or the Adidas one?
This one.
That one?
Yes.
Okay,
Mom.
yan. Dito na kami nakapark sa
We are
Magkano.
not Donut Cove. We're doing not Tanrock Falls.
Why?
Because I'm hungry.
Gusto niya muna pumunta ng
And I'm
Kmart.
having hot dog then and milkshake then.
Hotdog and milkshake. Okay. And pumunta pala kami una sa
What you having for
Priceline.
milkshake?
Bumili ako ng nail polish. Ayan. Ito, andito yung mga kulay na kinuha ko. Ayan.
Wait,
Pumunta
let me
kami
see.
muna doon. Ayan.
Wow.
Okay, let's go. Kmart daw muna kami kasi gutom na siya. Okay.
We're going to and where you don't have milkshake?
I'll see. Okay, let's go.
Okay, yay! We're going now. Bye.
Sabi ko sa rin, come on, hurry up, baba. Sabi ko, punta muna kayo dito sa Kmart kasi ang tagal namin. Hindi nakapasok dito sa Kmart. Go, baba. Wow. Ayan, may hand sanitizer.
Wow.
Okay, rub your hands. Okay, come on.
Donut food. Donut Tanrock Falls.
This is Kmart. This is Kmart. Food court. This is not food. Wait, baba. Gutom na.
This is not food.
This is not a food. What? This is not a food. But first, wait. I'm gonna look something first. Yes, baby boy.
Hungry, baby.
Very hungry. Okay, wait.
Mommy, let's
Kuhaan muna kita na.
take this, Mom.
Yeah, yes. Okay, wait, baba. Kasi yung mga nabili ko sa sa Adelaide, size 3, ang laki pa sa kanya. So, kuhaan ko siyang size 2. So, eto dalawa or tatlong black.
Take
Forever,
forever.
nagreklamo na yung isa.
Don't hear them.
Wow! So, kinuhaan ko na siya ng 5 nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na black na leggings. Isang pink, isang brown, and isang green. Yun lang naman yung mga kulay dito. Wala namang iba.
Mom, just keep going now.
Okay, baby. We're going. Gutom na siya. Okay, come on. You alright, Papa?
Can I have this one, please?
No, not this one, Baba.
I like this one.
But I
I
have...
like this one.
Yeah, I like this one too. I'm
And
going
this
to...
one.
Nah, this
And
one.
this one.
No, this one.
And this one.
Okay, this one. Can you turn? Turn, please. Parang malaki. Patingin, Baba. Turn around, please. Walang size 2. Size 3 kasi ito eh. Let me see.
Wow.
Okay, kunin natin to.
I have a five.
Ha?
I have this, Mom.
Wait, Baba. Ano, Baba? You like this?
Yes.
Turn around, please. Tapos, partneran natin ito. Size 2.
That's enough, Mom.
Okay, come on here. Let me see. Okay, hold this for mommy. Okay. Gutom na talaga siya. Okay. Wala na sila masyadong paninda dito, guys. Oh.
There's nothing
Dito.
in here, Mom.
I know, look.
Just let's go eat.
Okay, gutom na talaga siya. Okay, come on. Let's go. Are you really hungry?
Yeah.
Oh my God, okay. Bawal siya magutom, guys. Nagagalit na siya. Self-check tayo kasi maraming nakapila dun sa my cashier. Come on, Baba. Wait, Baba, don't touch that one. Don't. Okay, we're done here, Baba.
Yay, you're not Kmart.
Anong Kmart? Food court. Yeah. Okay, bubili ako ng bag kasi hindi ko naman plano na makakabili tayo dito sa Kmart. So, nagdala tayo ng eco bag. Come on, let's go. Food court. Ano sasabihin mo sa mommy? Ha? Welcome. Open na yung food court kasi pwede nang maupo. Pero wala pa rin yung gusto kong kainin, yung kebab. Wala pa rin. Pero ayan, pwede ka nang maupo dyan. Oh. So, pwede na. Okay, this one, Baba? Hot dog? Hot dog, Baba?
Yes.
In-orderan ko na siya ng hot dog. Tig-isa kami, tapos may chips. Tapos doon ako kumuha ng drinks namin sa booth.
We need a card.
Pardon?
We need a card for this.
We don't have money.
Yeah, card, Mom.
Card.
It said you have to need card.
I need two?
No, you need only one.
One what?
One card.
Card? I don't have card.
Two?
No.
This card. It's a G-Mom.
I don't have card.
Dad have card?
Yeah. Kasi pwede mong itap dyan yung Visa card mo. Oh. Ano? Dad, ang excuse ko sa kanya, wala akong cash ngayon. Card daw pwede.
That's for the computer.
Oh, what?
Computer.
That's a computer.
Ah! Need this one, Mom.
I know. But my card is not working, Baba. Thank you. Thank you so much. Mango Magic yung kinuha ko. Baba, come on here. I'm gonna wash your hands. Come on. Good job. Good job. Hindi niya, tingnan mo siya. Good job. Hindi niya hinawakan yung upuan tsaka yung table. Kasi linagyan ko na siya ng alcohol. Is it good? Yum. Ito na yung ating chips. Baba, hold this for mommy, please. Thank you. And then hot dogs. Okay, let's go. Kain muna kami bago mag-grocery. Here, Baba.
Thank you.
Welcome. Good?
Also.
Hot? Huh? Sauce? There's a sauce inside there, Baba. Come on, Baba. Yan, tapos na kami kumain. Punta muna ako dito sa Foodland. Tingin ako kung mayroon silang pork belly. Kasi maganda yung pork belly dito. Medyo mahaba. Ay, tapos, Baba! Come on! Stop touching! Marami siyang stopover. Come on. Foodland, Baba. Are you full? Yes. Come on. Basket. Come on, Baba. Ha? Nagtanong ako kung meron siyang buong pork belly. Andun yung si Kuya. Oh. Wala sila ngayon na malaking pork belly. Kasi ano na, alas 12 na dapat daw kaninang umaga bago nila kinat. Ano ba? That's not pork belly, Baba. That's lamb chops. So, eto na lang. Wait, Baba, we'll see what they have here. Parang pareho lang naman sa Coles. Sa Coles na lang tayo kuha, Baba. Kasi wala sila yung malaki na gusto ko. Minsan, meron din sila dito yung pork na buto-buto. Pero parang wala na rin. No, that's not pork belly, Bob. No, that's not pork belly. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna go with Coles. Come on. Wala tayo dito nakuha sa Foodland. Come on. Foodland. Coles now. Kunin lang natin tong eco bags. And yung isa, excited na grocery kasi ang tagal niyang hindi nakapag-grocery. More than 3 months. Come on, Baba. Are you excited? Yes. Okay, let's go. Where are you going? Coles, come on. Yes. Okay, wash your hands first. Here. Okay, kuha ko ng wipes kasi i-wipe natin yung cart. Tissue. Okay, here, Baba.
I put it in?
No, come on. Okay na. Okay, let's go. Do you want to sit down? Wait, I'm just gonna wipe it first.
I'll have a higher leg.
You have what?
Higher leg.
Pagod na raw yung legs niya. Okay. Excited siya, oh. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
We need strawberry.
Yes, yes. Wait, Mommy will choose. Okay. So, ito yung una natin kukunin, strawberries. Tagal nilang hindi nakakain ng strawberries. Pili lang tayo ng maganda. So, etong dalawa, okay ito. Dalawang kunin natin.
Thank you.
Gusto niya dyan ilagay sa katabi niya. Welcome. Welcome, Baba.
Hey, Mom.
Pardon?
Need grapes too.
Yes. I'm gonna get grapes.
Why does I want grapes?
Pardon?
Why like grapes?
Yes.
Because the boys don't have grapes. They listen to it.
Okay, eto pa tayo nito. Okay. Tatabi mo lang, Baba, dito.
Here. Here.
Tayo ng carrots.
Something here.
No, not there. Here, Baba, here.
Oh, okay.
And kuha tayo dito ng butternut pumpkin. Okay, eto.
We have broccoli still.
Broccoli?
Yes.
No, we're gonna get broccoli, Baba. Don't drop it, okay? Oi, don't drop it.
I'm playing a game.
I'm playing a game.
Candy.
Pretending.
Pretend this is your fine mom.
Alright. Pili tayo ng broccoli. And meron pala sila ditong purple broccoli. Oh. Ayan. Pero ang kunin natin ay yung green. Yung regular lang. Yes?
We have apple still.
Pardon?
Apple.
Apple. Siya po ang aking taga-remind. We're gonna get apple. Pardon?
I'm making a mistake.
You're losing. Oh, pretend kasi phone ko daw yun. Natatalo na raw siya. So, tatlo nito. So, tatlong broccoli.
Mom, look at me, I'm losing.
You're losing. It's alright.
Playing racing car.
Pardon?
I'm playing racing car.
You're playing racing car. Kuha din tayo ng cauliflower. Isang buo. Ito. So, kuha tayo ng pink lady apples.
This is my eye, Mom. Can I have green?
Green, yes. We're gonna get green as well. So, pili lang tayo.
Love green.
I know. You win.
Look at the fly, I win. Mom, look
So,
at
pili lang tayo.
the fly, Mom.
Yes.
I win.
You win? Okay.
I'm playing different game now.
Okay. So, kumuha ko ng 12 pieces na pink lady.
Do we have two oranges?
Yeah, I'm gonna get oranges. Wait.
Oh, I'd always love strawberries.
Pardon?
Yeah, would always love strawberries.
Yes. Ang daldal niya. So, ngayon, kuha din tayo ng Granny Smith. So, pili lang tayo ng magandang green apples or Granny Smith. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Mom, bananas.
Bananas? Yeah.
That is that favorite.
Yes, we're gonna get banana.
My dad.
Yes, for your dad. So, eto 12 pieces din to na green apples. Dati ang kinukuha ko mga apples ay yung mga naka-plastic na, nakaganito na ba. Pero ngayon wala silang pink lady at saka granny. So, dito tayo kumuha. Pero dito naman sa SA, sa state namin, safe naman kami kasi wala na kaming case ng, alam nyo na yon.
Do we
Yes.
have almonds still?
Almonds?
No, almonds.
Almonds. Ah, orange.
Yes.
You want orange?
Yes, I love almonds.
Okay, we're gonna get orange. Gusto niya yung mandarins.
YouTube.
YouTube? Nasa YouTube daw siya.
Mom, this is
Wait, Papa, we're gonna get orange or mandarins. Kuha tayong dalawa nito. Oops, bakit siya sumasama? Dalawa. Ah, you're right.
this is Akin.
And kuha rin ako ng lemons and limes. Tigli-5 lang yung laman niya.
What is good?
Lemon and limes.
Lemon
And limes.
and
Limes.
lime.
Limes.
Lemon and limes.
Very good. And kuha tayo nitong potatoes. Ito na yung gustong potatoes ni Jan, yung marumi na, yung brush. Dati, ito yung white or yung isa, yung malaki din. Wala sila ngayon pero ito na yung gusto ni Jan. Masarap din kasi ito kaysa dun sa white potatoes.
You
So,
have
ayan.
bananas?
Yun nga lang, lilinisan mo pa siya.
You have to bananas.
Bananas? Okay, we'll get bananas. Hindi masyado
Lots of
Hindi maganda yung bananas nila ngayon. Ay, ayan, maglalagay si kuya. Hintayin natin. Doon tayo kuha sa bagong lagay. Wait lang, Papa, kasi paubos na rin. Oh. So, mga natira, may mga itim-itim na. Ito yung bagong lagay ni kuya. Pero parang hindi pa siya masyadong hinog. Hintayin na lang natin siyang mahinog. Ito, okay pa naman to. So, ito. Tsaka, ito. So, ito yung bananas, Baba. Kuha tayo ng beans. Pili tayo ng magandang beans. Kasi yung iba, kulubot na. So, ayan. Pili muna ako. So, okay na to. Eto, kuha tayo ng kalahating cabbage. Mayroong maliit, mayroong malaki. Dito tayo sa malaki. Kasi malaki ang ating pamilya. So, isang cabbage. Kalahating cabbage. So, kukuha ko ng red chili at saka green chili. So, ito yung red and ito yung green chili. Okay. Hindi ko na makalimutan yung bili ni kuya na peach. Gustong gusto niya to. Ito yung yellow one. Kukuha tayo. 1, 2. So, 8 pieces na peach. Peaches. You want peach. And kuha ko ng pomelo. Tigas pa sila. Oops. Dalawa nito. So, eto na lang. Dalawang pomelo. Kuha din tayo ng tomatoes. So, 5 tomatoes. Are you alright, Baba? Kuha ko ng isang green bell pepper tsaka isang red. Yes, baby. Okay, wait lang, Baba, ha? Pili lang tayo dito. Eto. Ang lalaki ng sibuyas nila ngayon, kaya kukuha tayo dito. Yung maliliit lang. Kasi yung nasa net, andun, ang lalaki nun. So, hanap tayo ng maliliit, tsaka maliliit na white onions or yellow onions. Pili lang tayo ng maliliit. So, ito, nakapila ko ng mas maliliit. Kasi sobrang lalaki nila, lalo na yung nandun, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, kumuha ko ng 5 red, tsaka 5 white. Ayan. Tama lang yung size niya. Ito yung nasa net na mga onions. So, tingnan nyo, ang lalaki. Ayan. Malaki. At saka yung white din. Ito. And ito pala yung dati kong kinukuha ang potatoes. Yung white. Yung malinis na. Pero ngayon, iba na yung kinuha natin. Yung brushed. Kasi yun ang mas masarap para kay Jan. Are you alright, Baba? Na?
I'll be taking slices.
What are we gonna get here? Smiley Frites. Ang tagal nila. Hindi nakakain ng Smiley Frites, ha? Hi, do you have Smiley Frites? Yes. Wash your hands first. Kasi kakain siya ng frites. Okay, rub. What you gonna say to the lady? Huh? Okay. Thank you. And kuha ko ng isang mozzarella cheese. Kuha tayo ng stone bread. Wala yung isang brioche, yung hotdog, yung pahababa. Nandito, ito yung buns. So, ito na lang. Masarap kasi itong tinapay. Kasi manamis-namis. Hello. Meron ako nakitang maliliit na yellow or white onions. So, babalik ko yung kinuha ko. Kasi yung kanina, yung pinakita ko sa inyong nasa net, ang lalaki nung nandoon. Dito, maliliit lang. Oh. So, kunin natin tong isa. And okay, wait, Baba. Ibalik natin yung kinuha ko kanina. Kasi ito malalaki compare dito. Ayan, maliliit lang siya, diba? Okay, balik natin to, Baba. And kuha tayo ng perino tomatoes. Wow. Tayo ng cucumber, 2. Gustong-gusto rin ito ni Sak. Kuha tayo ng ginger. Ito, masarap to. Yung coated na Oreo. Kuha tayo nito ng 5. 4, 5. Excuse me, Baba. Inayos ko siya dito. Diyan sila. So, nag-add ako ng 5. Pero ito palitan ko kasi ang gusto ko ay yung triple chocolate. Ito yung ano siya, coated lang siya. So ito ang gusto ko kasi meron din sila yung may mint. Ayan oh, merong mint. Ayan. Pero ito yung gusto ko, triple. So 10 ang kinuha natin. Additional 5. Okay. Ito ako nitong 5 box. Sa isang box meron siyang 10. Ito yung wafer sticks. So, tayo itong 5. Balikan natin yung 3.
Mommy?
Yes, baby.
Look at that.
Wait. And 3 pa.
Mom?
Yes.
Look at games.
Which games?
That toys.
We don't need that.
Toys game.
No, we don't need that
I
one.
don't
Baba.
have toys and games.
You don't need games, Baba.
I have toys in one.
Ito na tayo sa may mga
I have
meat.
toys.
So, hanap tayo ng silver side. Ito yung corned beef.
And Mom, that's
Ito yung hindi masyadong mataba. Ito.
and Mommy, that's enough. I want.
And kuha tayo ng pang roast. Yung roast beef ba? Kaso maliliit lang ang nandito. Eto na. Medyo malaki-laki siya. And kuha rin tayo ng 2 beef mince. And eto kuha tayo ng pork belly. Medyo makapal-kapal to. Maganda to kasi medyo makapal siya. So, kunin natin to. Isa. Tsaka another 1. Sobra naman kapal ng taba niya. Ito. Itong 2. Yeah. Oh.
Thank you, Mom.
Inayos ko mabuti yung dito. Oh. Yes?
And then that's enough to give me yours.
Gusto niya kaming kumuha ng yogurt. Okay, we're going there, Papa. Kuha rin tayo ng drumsticks. And kuha tayo ng messy monkeys. Pardon?
Well played.
Pink.
Yes.
Okay, kuha tayo ng
There's
chocolate.
only one.
Yeah, there's only 1. Oo nga, isa na lang yung pink.
That. There's monkey's pink.
No, there's only 1
I
pink.
know. Yes, you need all of them.
And skim milk powder. Yung ano, yung gatas nito, hindi pa namin nagagamit. So, kuha tayo yung long life ba nito? Moo! Eto, long life. 2 nito. Yes, we need this, Baba. No, we don't, Baba.
I need 2.
We need 2. Kuha pa tayo ng isa nito. So, bali 3 chocolates. Isang strawberries. Okay. Oh, gusto niyang hawakan yan. Okay, welcome. Well, ubos na yung chocolate namin. Kuha tayo nito. Ito yung fruit nut na Cadbury. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nito. Ayan, malulobat na ako. Ayan, 5 niyan. Isang plate. Isang twirl. Lagi isa na lang siya dito. Oh. Tapos isang, eto si Caramelo Koala. And isang Fredo. Ayan, tapos isang Snickers. And isang Skittles. Excuse me, Baba.
No, not very one. Look for
Check for what?
the president. Check.
Check daw kasi kinuhaan ko siya ng Fredo, yung Tapos na tayo sa chocolates. Kuha naman tayo ng drinks. Mga drinks naman. Si Jan lang naman pala. Drinks ni Jan. Yung aking organic almond. Kuha ko nitong 2. Dalawa nito. We got lots of lollies now here, Baba. So, ito yung drinks ni Jan, yung orange mango na sparkling. So, kuha tayo nito. Siguro 5 nito. Sana natin ito ilalagay, Baba. Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang to. Wait. Ayusin natin yung ating cart. Wait lang. Sinayos ko lang, linagay ko yung fruit sa ibabaw para hindi sila madurog. And ayan na yung drinks ni Jan. Punta na tayo sa, where are we going na, Baba?
We're going to get yogurt.
Gonna get yogurt. Mamaya na pala tayo dun sa frozen food kasi mayroon po kami ibang kukunin. Ito yung bili ni Jan para sa lunch order ng mga bata. Yes, wait. Naalala niyo yung saffron na kinuha ko sa Asian store kahapon? Dito sa Cost, ganyan lang siya karami, oh. Ganyang kaliit. $7.10 siya, oh. Diba? Yung kahapon, mura lang yun, tapos marami pa. Yung sa Asian. And meron ditong notes na nag-shirt sila sa mga dry spices dahil sa mga supplier. Dahil nga sa sitwasyon natin ngayon. So, ayan. Dun din, oh.
Yogurt
Not
now.
yet. We're gonna get, cereals. Yeah, cereals first.
Say that now.
Eto, bilhin to ni Sasay. Ito yung Messy Monkeys na popcorn. And may nakita ko na salt and vinegar. Gustong gusto ni Sak ang salt and vinegar eh. Baba. Kuhan natin dalawa na. Oh. Okay. Nasa healthy option to. You're right? Okay, hold that one. Cocoa Pops for Johnny Boy. And Fruit Loops for Holly Girl. Yep. Karin tayo nito. Kuha tayo ng shampoo at conditioner. Etong Pantene yung color protection. Kasi si Jan, di ba, nagkukulay siya ng buhok niya. Baba.
Shampoo.
Yes, okay. Hold it, Papa. Thank you. Binitawan niya na si Messy Monkeys. Andun na si Messy Monkeys.
All of them.
Parang nagkakaubusan na naman tayo ng toilet paper. I know. But we don't have space there, Papa. Where are we gonna put that one? Huh? Hindi na kasya, Baba.
I don't hit all of the messy monkeys.
Yeah, next time na lang. Balik pa naman ako dito sa etong week, balik naman ako dito. Next time na lang yan. Okay? Stop picking your lips. Tingnan nyo guys, walang eggs. Wala yung kinukuha namin. Meron yung iba. Eto pa. Pero yung dito, yung mga nandito, wala oh. Pero nakakaubusan na naman ha. Okay, we're gonna get your yogurt and then we're gonna get milk. Okay. Patay ng gatas. Saan na natin ito ilalagay, Baba? Stop picking your nose. Baba, can you get the strawberries, please? Hold that for Mommy. Punong-puno ka na rin kasi. Baba ka na lang kaya dyan. Alisin mo yan, Baba. Ayaw mo kasing bumaba. Hello. Nag-ilaw siya doon kay Kuya. Buang ka, Holly. Oh. Okay, wait. Kuha tayong tigli-5 mango, apples, tapos banana. Walang, there's no strawberries. Meron dito. Ayan, so wait lang. So, meron tayong 5 bananas, 5 apples. Kuha tayo ng 5 mangoes. Ito naman, 5 nitong strawberries. So, 3, 4, 5. Linagay ko dito sa box kasi para hindi sila magkahulog-hulog dyan sa ilalim ba. Wait, Baba, wait. Okay, diba? Kasi pag hindi ko linagay sa box, kung saan-saan sila mapupunta. And ayan siya. Can you open it? Can you open it? Ang tagal niyang hindi nakakain ito. You're welcome. Gutom na siya, oh. Uhaw na siya sa yogurt kasi ang tagal niya nang hindi nakakain ng yogurt. You right, Baba? Kuha tayo ng Yakult pala. Yakult. Tapos ito yung mousse. Ang paborito ni Jan. Mousse. Okay, wait, Baba. You're right? Ah. Ito yung Yakult. Kuha ko nitong tatlong ganito. Ano natin ito ilalagay? 1. Dagdag ako ng 5 blueberries. Okay, put it here, Baba, because we have to pay for that. And kumuha ako ng pecan cream. Ito. And kuha rin tayo ng sour cream. Ito, sour cream. Okay, let's go. Kuha tayo ng butter. Baba, hold this.
Hold this.
Punong-puno na rin si Holly dito. Ha? I know. Ang dami na raw sa kanya din. Ah, nandito pala yung mga toilet paper. Oh. Ano lang, wala sila yung 25 pieces na rolls. 12 lang.
That's a big one.
No, it's not. It's the small one, Baba. Ano?
It's not cold here. It's so warm here.
Yeah, it's warm here. Bakit kaya warm dito? Dito naman malamig. Kuha tayo ng corn tasty. Ayan. And then ham. And we're done. Okay. Gonna get ham. Ito yung honey ham na pang-baon-baon ng mga bata. No, I can put it here, Baba. Here. You're full there, look.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. You're full. See?
Big deal.
Yeah, we're done. Bayad na tayo. So, tapos na tayo dito, guys. Ayan na yung itsura ng cart natin, oh. Ayan. Tumutulong na siya. Okay, here, Baba. Fruits. That's fruits. Lemon. Lemon is fruits. Mandarin. Yeah, lemon is very sour. Oh, get that one, Baba. You drop one. I don't know. How? Here. There's a hole here, Baba. Almost done. Okay, hurry up, Baba. Para may lagay na natin yung mga nailagay niya sa eco bag. Yung mga chocolates na lang. Okay, last one here, Baba. Okay. Okay, let's go. So, yan yung binayaran natin today. Ayan, tapos na tayo dito sa Coles. Pupunta pa tayo sa Butcher at saka sa Baker's Delight. Okay, pull. All the way there. Go. Oops. Good job. Yeah, move. Okay, thank you. Wait. Okay, eto pa. Eto pa. Push there. Okay, gusto mo dyan sa likod, ha? Okay. This is a bit heavy. You just drag it, Baba. Okay. There, Baba. Baba. Over there, Baba. Because we have plenty here, Baba. You have to push that one at the back, please. Thank you. Go push or drag it. Siya ang katulong ko na dito. There, push it there, Baba. Good job. And this one.
That is so heavy.
Okay. You just drag it, Baba. Yeah. Okay.
I'm sitting down.
Okay, drag it, please.
Oh, here.
Drag it. Like this, magbigat kasi ito. Yeah. Okay.
Huh?
This is heavier, Baba. Not yet, hoy. Huwag kang tatakas. Hoy, not yet. Here, hoy. Huwag mo akong takasan. That's heavy, Baba. Come on. Oh.
Help me.
Okay, I will help you.
I have more to go.
Okay, yeah. Push. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Good job, Baba. Oops. Bigat talaga niyang, Baba. Wait. Yeah. And push. Push up, Mommy. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. This is very heavy, Baba. Alis dyan. Yeah. Finally, nailagay din namin lahat. Okay. See you, Baba.
Bye-bye.
Dito na kami sa Baker's Delight and medyo malayo-layo na yung Baker's Delight kasi minove na siya dito malapit sa malapit sa Aldi.
You're the best.
Malapit sa Aldi.
You're the best mom in the whole world.
Wow, thank you, Baba.
You're the best and the best mommy in the whole wide world.
Wow, thank you, love. So, yun nga, katapat na ng Baker's Delight ay yung Aldi. And kung maalala nyo, yung Baker's Delight, yes.
I really want to eat chewy.
No. Kung maalala nyo, yung Baker's Delight, meron siyang katabi na She's Apples. Magkatabi rin sila dito. Pero nauna yung She's Apples minove dito bago yung Baker's Delight. And malaki yung Baker's Delight dito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan yung Baker's Delight. And ayan na yung shop nila. Diba? Iba na. And mayroon siyang, parang mayroon na siyang coffee shop. Ayun, pwede ka mag-coffee dyan. And ayun yung She's Apples Market. O, magkatabi na sila. And doon, hindi nyo makita basta dyan, Aldi na yan. So, medyo malayo na siya. So, tara, kuha na tayong tinapay, Baba. So, first time natin pumasok dito sa bagong Baker's Delight na shop. Ayan, malaki na siya, Ayan. Oh, Baba, here, Baba. Stand up here. Here. May access na siya, guys. Pwede kang dumiretso mag-shopping doon sa She's Apples kasi bukas doon, Ayun, bukas siya. So, mas malaki na dito, Merong nagmamakaawa dito, Gusto niya yun, Nakikita niyo yung tinuturo niya. Ayan, gusto niya yan, Okay. So, kumuha ko nitong 4 na sliced bread, pero pinahati ko sa 2. And eto, makukuha natin tong free kasi meron ako dito. Ayan, may stamp na siya, So, eto, makukuha natin siyang free. Then, next time, ayan, free ulit. Tapos, ayan, i-stamp niya ulit yan. Tapos, makakaroon ulit tayo ng free. So, eto, free to. So, kumuha rin tayo dito. Tig-iisa sila. Gusto niyang hawakan yan, okay? And eto yung free. Tapos na tayo dito sa Baker's Delight and binigyan niya ako ng panibagong Delightful Rewards. Yan ang tawag sa card nila. And mayroon tayong stamp dito. Napuno na kasi siya. Linagyan niya ako ng 3 stamp. So, 2 na lang yung available dito. Tapos dito niya linagay yung isa. Then, sa next na pagbili natin, meron ulit tayong free na 2. And then, ayan, pupunin ulit natin yan para makakuha ulit tayo ng free. And bago na to, mas maganda kasi mas malinaw siya kaysa dito, So, next, ang pupunta natin ay butcher. Kasi kukuha ako ng schnitzel. Tapos, tingnan ko pa kung ano.
Dad always wants schnitzel.
That's right. Si Daddy kasi laging gusto ay schnitzel. So, doon na tayo sa butcher. Anong oras na? What time is it, Baba? 3:30. 3:49. Hala, hapon na. Dito na tayo sa butcher, guys. Sa Margaret Street. Okay, go. No, push, Baba. Push. Uy, what are you doing? Ayun, nag-order na ako doon ng schnitzel. And dito siya naglalaro. Ito yung mga meat nila dito. Ito yung beef schnitzel. And ayan yung chicken schnitzel. And burgers. And ayan, kuha tayo ng patties. Beef patties. Thank you.
You have a good
Okay, you too. Come on, Baba. Let's go. Say see you later. Come on. Makakauwi na tayo. Dito na kami sa bahay. Nakatulog na si Holly. And si John, nag-cut siyang grass. Kasi tingnan niyo yung harap. Ang ganda na ng grass. Naglinis din siya ng garage. Ayun siya, Ayun siya, Ayun siya, naglilinis siya dun, Did you cut the grass, Han?
Huh?
Did you cut the grass? Yeah. Kasi ang ganda ng grass sa, sa harap. Papa, we're home. Daddy's there. Show Daddy what you got, Baba. Where is it now? Oh, no. Han, get that bread, Han. Please. Nabitawan niya na. Antok siya. Alis si John. Punta siya sa farm kasi mayroong magsusukat para dun sa niya, sa shed. Alis siya. See ya. And sila yung magbababa ng mga pinang grocery ko. Ha? Yes, please. Thank you. May sinasabi si Kuya. What did you say, Kuya?
I got success and achievement.
Success and achievement.
They were lollies, so I just grabbed some lollies, put in my pot.
Good job.
It's in the newsletter too.
Oh, where's the newsletter?
In my bag, and the certificate's in my bag.
Okay. Wow. Good job, Kuya. So, ayan. Ibaba ko na lahat. Sila yung naglalagay doon sa kusina. Ay. Ha?
You got popcorn?
Yes. We got popcorn.
Mom, let's do one more.
There's more there, Zach. So, dito na lahat.
What's in there?
Okay, so i-close ko na yung vlog, guys, kasi magluluto pa ako ng dinner. Let's close the vlog, boys. Thank you for helping Mommy. So, siya raw magko-close ng vlog. Okay.
Okay. I know. Thank you, guys. Please please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Cooking. So, bye, guys. Oh.
That was
So,
all.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye,
Let's go
guys.
outside.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think